Hello and welcome to this video on how to start meditation as a habit. Meditation is a great tool to reduce stress, improving mental clarity and enhancing overall well-being and increase mindfulness. But if you're new to it, getting started can feel overwhelming. In this video, we will share some tips and tricks to help you make meditation a daily habit. Step 1. Choose a time and place. The first step to making meditation a habit is to choose a specific time and place to practice. Make sure to choose a time that works well for your schedule and a quiet place where you can focus. Step 2. Start small. When starting a new habit, it's important to start small. Start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you get comfortable. This will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and make it easier to stick with your practice. Step 3. Use an app. There are many apps available that can help you start and maintain your meditation practice. These apps usually provide guided meditations, reminders, and progress tracking to help you stay on track. Step 4. Make it a routine. Make meditation a part of your daily routine by incorporating it into your existing habits. For example, you could meditate after you wake up or before you go to bed. Step 5. Find a support system. Finally, finding a support system can help you stick with your meditation practice. Consider finding a friend or family member who is also interested in meditation and practice together. Starting meditation as a habit takes time and effort, but the benefits are well worth it. Remember to start small, choose a time and place, use an app, make it a routine, and find a support system. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to making meditation a daily habit. Thank you for watching this video on how to start meditation as a habit. We hope these tips were helpful. Remember to be patient and consistent, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier and more mindful life. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.